Alright, good day, guys. I believe everyone is doing well. This is a Supreme once again. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to design an ebook cover. And the if you want to design an ebook cover, it depends on the title of the ebook or of the book. You get me? Yeah, so for you to get the images to design your ebook cover, it depends on the title. Okay, yeah, so for this particular tutorial I'm going to use the title. The title of the book would be Tales of what? The Heart, Tales of the Heart. So with respect to the title of the book, here's how we are going to go by it. Okay, all right, so first of all, I'm going to delete this text, and I'll come to this particular side here and set the image size. So I'll tap on what image size, and at this portion I am going to set it to 600. That is 1600, and this size will be 2650. All right, so this is what an ebook size, normal size. Okay, all right, so first of all, I'm going back to from gallery, so I'm going to import an image from the gallery as what the background. So I'll tap on from gallery, and I am going to locate this and choose this particular one. So I'm going to crop it as it has was specified. So I'll tap on the check mark this way, and I'll be having something like that. So the next thing is to come to the second the middle option, this one here. Then I'll tap on what import. So I'll tap on import like this, and I am going to select an image again from my gallery. So I got this image, okay, this particular image here. So I'll tap on the check mark this way, and what I'm going to do is to what is to expand it. Yeah, I'm going to expand it this way. Okay, all right, and make sure that I've positioned it like this. Okay, all right, something like this is not bad. It's not bad. All right, so let me go ahead and reduce the opacity of this particular hot image. So I'll come to opacity, then I'm going to reduce it down to somewhere 30. You get it? All right, so this is cool for me. So let me go ahead and expand it a little. So I'll position it right here. Okay, all right, due to how I want it to be, I am going to cut a shape here. So I'll bring a shape and open it like this. In order to get rid of this particular sharp edge here, you just place it on that place. Okay, you just place it there. All right, something like this. All right, so this is cool. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to start with typing in my text. So I'll come here and tap on text edit, and I am going to write tales of the. All right, so something like this. I'll bring it right here and come to my fonts, and I am going to search for Go Bold. So I am going to use this particular one. Where is it? All right, so I'm going to use the Go Bold. Is it Upload or what? Yeah, the Upload. So I'll tap on it this way, and I'll copy edit, and I am going to write the heart. Okay, heart. Okay, all right, so I'm going to resize it this bigger. Let me go here and resize it to. So I'll use the relative position to make sure that it is centered. The same applies to this one. So I'll bring this one down a little. I'll bring this one down a little. All right, so this is cool. The next thing that I'm going to do is to copy this one, copy and edit, and I am going to write dreams and memories of a lifetime. That is a lifetime. Dreams and memories of a lifetime. All right, so I am going to resize it, make it smaller. Okay. All right, so I'll position it right here. Then I'll change the color to that is a little bit dark red. Okay, something like this. Okay. All right, so I'll use the relative position to make sure that it is centered. Then I'll move it and make sure it's properly centered. So I want to pull this one down a little. So I'll come and select both of it. That is this and that. Then I'll tap on this particular tool here. Okay. I'll tap on it this way. Then I'll select this one. Then I'll move it down like this. All right. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to come to text edit, and that is the author's name. Okay, so I'm just going to write my name there, Sir Supreme. Make sure that you write your name. You are not Sir Supreme. Those who have been using my name in their designs. All right, so I'm going to font and my font, and I'm going to choose Montserrat medium. Yeah, so Montserrat medium, and I'll reduce the size and bring it right here. After that, I'll use the relative position to make sure that it is centered properly and bring it down a little. So I'm almost done. I want to add a little touches to it. So I'll come to this place, import. I'm entering into my gallery to grab some image. Okay. All right. So I have this image grab from my gallery. I'll tap on the check mark this way. Then I am going to reduce the size, and I'll come to erase color, and I'll enable it. I'll enable it this way. Then I'll move the tolerance to say 30. All right, so 30. I'll tap on the check mark this way, and the next thing that I'm going to do is to reduce the size this way. Then I'll come to color and enable it so that I'll get this color for it. All right, so I'll reduce the size this way and position it somewhere here. I'll come to opacity, and I'll reduce the opacity down to 30. All right, so I'll make a copy this way. Then I'll rotate it that way and position it here. Then I'll make another copy and position it here. Okay. All right, so basically that is how we go by this particular design. So depending on the kind of book that you want to design its title, how you will get the images, to go to Google and type in. So if it is business, you type in business. So let me go to Google and try to see if you are going to get some. So okay, let's enter Google. So I have this particular one saved as a project. So let me name it as ebook. So always, if you want to come back to your work again, you make sure that you save it as a project. So let me go back and then come to this place, then go inside Google. All right, so let's enter into Google. So let's say you want to design a business startup ebook. So you just tap in business startup HD wallpaper. Then you are going to get a lot of images. So you come to images. Then you are going to find a lot of images over here. Yeah, so let's look at this particular one. For example, you see it's very nice. So you just long press on it, then you tap on download, then you use it in your design. So any of these ones. Okay, yeah, so basically that is how it is. I just wanted you to know. So if it is about relationship, or let's say love or whatever. It's like anything at all, anything at all. You just key in the title. So what should I even use as an example again? So let's take for example, you want to I don't know what to type. I don't know what to type. But the first example has given you some clue about what I'm trying to communicate to you. Okay. Yeah. So that is how we go by it. That is how we go by it. So after here, the next thing that we are going to do is to do the mock-up, okay, so that it can look more realistic. So let's go to this particular site, that is adazing.com. So you wait for it to load. You wait so that it loads, okay? All right, so once it's load, that is what you are going to what you are going to see. So you just scroll as you see me scrolling. Just scroll to this particular place, okay? So you can see here free hot book mockup creator. So you tap on it. All right, so you are going to find this particular books here. Yeah, if you want to use this template, that one, whatever one that you want to use, you just what tap on it, okay? Yeah, you just tap on the one you want to use. So let me use this one. Let me use this one. So you tap on it this way. And the next thing that you are going to do is to what? Just punch in your email here, okay? So let me use this email. Then you come to choose what file. You tap on choose file. Then you enter into your hot your gallery and select the image you just what design. So I'm going to select it. So I've selected it, okay? So you just what tap on send me my cover. So you allow it for it to load. You allow it to give it some little time, okay? You make sure that your internet connection is also working. All right. So you can see my book holding them. Alright, so you can see it right here. Okay, so you just come to this particular place. This thing should move away from. So you tap on or download your free mockup. So you tap on download your free mockup. So you see it has all started downloading. So you wait for it for a while for it to finish downloading so that you can. Alright, so it's ready. So let me tap on open so that you see how it is. Alright, so this is what the book we just what design, looking more realistic. Okay, so you can choose any of what the ebook available. Yeah, so you can choose any of them. You can choose any of them. Let me go back so that you get to see that part. Yeah, it seems my connection is not that cool. My connection, all right. So you can see, you can choose from this one, that one, any, this one, any of what of these ones, okay? All this you cannot make good use of what of them. All right, so thank you for watching this tutorial.